Let us see how to print long rows of data in Google Sheets. For that, go to File and then click on Print. Then this Print Settings dialog opens, and here let us imagine that there is a lot of columns over there. Okay, so what happens is that Google Sheet will automatically shrink the text so that it will fit the page. But if you want to print such that it is readable, then what you can do is that you can play with this page orientation, landscape, portrait. So landscape is suitable for the long rows of data, and you can also play around with this scale setting as well. Okay, fit to page, fit to width, etc. And other important thing is that you can also change the paper size. So if you get the bigger paper size, you can also print it nicely, because sometimes data is huge, so it doesn't fit on the A4 properly. It will print on the A4, but the size of the text will be very small, and that's why it is important that you select the paper that is much bigger. You can also set the custom size over here and make sure that on the printer you have got the bigger paper. Other thing that you can try is that you can also go to the custom page breaks. So with the help of this, what you can do is that you can split these long rows. So you can see here, this is the line break. You can just drag it as you wish, and then it will split the long rows into multiple rows basically. So if you click confirm breaks, what will happen is that up until this column G, it will be printed on the first page, and the remaining portion will go to the next page, like that. So these page breaks are customizable. You can add more page breaks if you want. So just take your mouse to the last line and then you can drag it, and you can also create the page breaks horizontal as well. And now you can see this is how it is going to print it. That's it. Thanks for watching.